Okay, example 5 is asking us to find the length of the shaded region. So the shaded region in the green here has the length that consists of this arc, and this big arc right here. So to find the length of the entire region shaded in the green, it is going to be the sum of all three arcs. This one, and this one added together. So let's find one arc at a time. We are going to find the arc, the minor arc, BA first. So length of shaded part, or shaded portion if you want to say it, is equal to length of the arc BA plus the length of the arc from A to E, as you've seen, plus the length of the arc from E to B. So one length at a time. Let's find the length of the arc BA first. So length of BA is going to be equal to what? Well, let's see. If we take a look at the minor arc BA, it looks like a little small semicircle. So we know that the central angle of a semicircle is 180, okay? Because semicircle is only half of the circle. So using 180 degrees, we are going to use the degree formula. The degree version of the formula of arc length, which is going to be the central angle theta over 360 multiplied by the formula for the perimeter of a circle, which is 2 pi times the radius r. And since the minor arc from B to A is a semicircle, we know the central angle is again 180 degree. So we got 180 over 360 multiplied by 2 times pi times the radius. But we know the radius, the diameter, we know the diameter here is 18 feet. So the radius is going to be 9 feet. So that's that we have 2 pi times 9 instead. So let's simplify this even a little more. 180 over 360 is going to give us 1/2. 2 pi times 9 is going to give us 18 pi. Like that. But 18 pi times 1/2 is going to give us 9 pi. So the length of the arc BA is going to be 9 pi feet. That's the unit. So keep this in mind. And we are going to repeat the same procedure using the same formula for the minor arc AE and the minor arc EB. So the length of AE now is going to be the same formula. Central angle theta divided by 360 multiplied by the formula for the perimeter of a circle, or the circumference of a circle I should say, which is 2 pi r, 2 pi times the radius. But if we take a look at the minor arc from A to E right here, and this might be a little difficult to see, but the diameter for the arc from A to E is going to be 24 feet. So if the diameter is 24, then the radius is going to be half of the diameter, which is 12. And of course, the arc from A to E, along with the diameter, forms the semicircle. So we know right away the central angle for the minor arc from A to E is going to be 180 as well. So just plug it in. Replace the central angle theta with 180 degree over 360. Multiply 2 pi times the radius, which is 12 that we just mentioned. And then simplify as you go. 180 over 360 is going to give us 2 pi. Simplify it out to 2 pi. 2 pi times 12 is going to give us 24 pi. 24 pi times 1/2. It's just going to give us 12 pi feet. So we get a second part of the entire shaded region down. Now let's find the length of the third part. So the length of minor arc EB is still going to be the central angle theta divided by 360 degrees multiplied by 2 pi radius, which is the formula for the circumference of a circle. But then again, if we take a look at the arc from E to B, it's another semicircle like that. So this semicircle has the diameter from E to B, but the diameter here is going to be this little diameter, 24 feet, plus this little diameter, which is 18 feet. So 24 plus 18 is going to give us 42. And because this diameter from E to B is 42 feet, we know the radius is going to be 42 divided by 2, which is 21 feet. So some mental math is strongly recommended as you go. And because the minor arc AB forms a semicircle, we know the central angle is going to be 180 again. So 180 over 360 multiply 2 pi multiplied by the radius, which is 21 that we mentioned. So let's see, same as usual, 180 over 360 is going to simplify down to 1/2 multiplied by 2 pi times 21, but 2 pi times 21 over here is 42 pi. 42 pi times 1/2 is going to give us 21 pi. 21 pi feet is the length of the minor arc from E to B. So to find the length of the entire shaded region in the green, this arc length with this one and with the whole thing, so just add the lengths of all three arcs together, which is adding 9 pi with 12 pi and then with 21 pi. Length of shaded part equal 9 pi plus 12 pi plus 21 pi. From here, just combining like terms. 9 plus 12 is going to be 21. 21 plus 21 is going to give us 42 pi feet. And this is the length of the shaded region in the green.